did you take your pants off?
Dude, I sleep with my underwear on. What do you mean?
You wouldn't clap them cheeks.
You have to answer.
Drink or say?
Says who? Says you?
Today, I'm gonna head over to Brent's house. I got Pierson and Brent together, and we're going to do a truth or drink. Brent actually just doesn't drink. He likes to keep it classy. But today, I'm going to get my best friends a little loose. Let's head over to the house and see what happens.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my god, our colors are so primary.
Oh wait.
We're like red, yellow.
It's like a textbook.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with Pierson and Brent.
Hello. Sorry. I should have done that.
That was weird.
Hello.
Don't do that again.
You do that all the time.
What are you talking about?
Guys, I feel so left out of that inside joke. I leave for 1 month to Norway and I come back and you guys have inside jokes about me. Today, I'm gonna get Brent drunk.
No, you're not.
You're about to see a side of us that doesn't come out often.
And we're adults. We're of age.
You know, but
23.
we're still young though.
We're young.
We're still hip.
We're
Pierson
hip and
is
cool.
23. Ava is 26.
He's 47.
Hold up. I'm
old are you?
22.
Oh, she's 22.
Oh my god. Every
Wow.
time.
Basically, we're gonna be doing the truth or drink challenge. There's a lot of questions that I'm sure Pierson and I have for each other,
Yeah, totally.
have for Brent has for me. I don't think he has any more questions for me. I feel like we've closed the door. Because we want to keep it classy on this channel, I brought a good old glass of classy champagne. And since Brent is not gonna be drinking with us today, he will be enjoying a lovely beverage of hot sauce
You enjoy that.
Hot
bud.
sauce, balsamic vinegar, or
and mustard.
mustard.
Ew.
Honestly, wouldn't mind mustard.
Drinking mustard?
Do it.
Put it in my mouth.
Don't you hate ketchup though?
That's not ketchup.
Mustard is like the exact same like type thing. that
I don't feel
ketchup.
safe. That was so much!
All y'all
good.
mustard lovers out there, let's get it cracking.
Let's get it popping. What's popping?
Let's pop the champagne.
Hey, mustard is mustard seed.
Uh-oh.
Holy sh! Look at these lovely champagne glasses that
Wow.
Brent will never use.
I will always use.
Oh,
'cause
no.
you're- Ah!
Okay, Brent, because we have to start this off with a little champagne, you have to drink balsamic vinegar.
What the? This looks like
answer.
Coke.
Cheers, Brent.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
Wait, are you drinking already?
Yeah, we have to get it started. Chug, chug,
Go.
chug, chug. Brent at the club. I have a question for you.
Go for it.
Have you ever kissed Pierson off camera?
I'm just gonna drink. Can I trade the hot sauce, please? This stuff is hard.
I'll just ask the same question to Pierson. Have you ever kissed Brent off camera, you little dirty?
Oh!
What? What
Yeah.
are you guys hiding from me? When did it happen?
We didn't say it did, or we didn't say it didn't.
Oh my god, that's so disgusting.
That one's just like, it's so much thicker.
You know buffalo sauce is made
Okay.
of buffaloes.
Pierson, when was the last time you...
She goes, here's when was the last time you...
When was the last time you like had a lesbian thought?
Girls are hot. I'm gonna be straight up.
Pierson coming out.
When was the last time you had a gay thought?
I don't think I've ever had a.
Come on.
Come on.
As a guy, I could tell you that guys, yeah, do be like, oh, like you know, he looks good today, you know.
Have you ever looked at a guy's like...
Yeah.
I think that's so weird that guys just like see other dudes' names.
I feel like any sports team, like if you're just like in the locker room,
And you're like, hey dude,
it's
you're
like
looking
they
good today.
change.
You
Like,
look
you
down,
change
you're like-
in the locker room. I never was like, hey, yeah, you know. But there was, when we first met, Pierson, were you ever like a little jealous of Ava?
I was really intimidated by Ava.
Why are people intimidated?
Oh my God.
I get it.
No,
look at me.
Look at me. Let's be real. She came over to your house one time and we were filming. You were wearing something really bomb and I was just like, oh my. And you were kind of quiet in a way.
Really?
But also like out there but quiet. Like you're not in my circle yet. You gotta earn that.
Damn.
Oh,
Okay.
shit. I come off like that. It's always interesting to like know, you know? You don't know how you like come off. Unless you like are fully aware of yourself that you're a bitch and then that's a whole issue.
Yeah. I was
Fangirl.
intimidated because you guys were like so close.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh man, this is.
What was that?
She's about to puke.
Champagne gets you.
She's puking already.
Her
with drinks.
biggest pet peeve is burping, and there she is going.
I remember like that day.
You're like, who is this?
Well, no, like Brent's like, oh, like I'm having this girl come over, like her name's Pierson, and like in my head I was like,
Who is this Pierson?
Okay, I started like thinking about it. I'm like, this is good. Like this is good for Brent. And then we got to know each other, and I was like, she's sick.
Yeah.
Like, in all my days of being on YouTube, there's literally no other girl that's like cool.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wow.
Pierson, I have a question for you.
Okay. Oh god.
If Ben was of age,
Oh, he's 18. He's 19.
no, but like you
dude's
know,
19.
a had Brent or Ben, who would you prefer to date?
Oh, damn.
I love Ben, but I think he's a little too crazy for me. And you're really boring, so I think we would work out way better. I'm just kidding. I feel like we're more similar. I just feel like we would be better. Let's do like Marry, Kill or Hands.
Me, Pierson, or Lexi Hensler?
Kiss, Marry, Kill.
Or wait, no, it's Marry.
Are you allowed to curse on your channel?
Yeah, but I just like do dolphin noises.
Oh, okay.
All right, so I think I'm gonna have to. Let me get this one off the bat. I would have to do the dirty with Pierson.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna have to marry.
Well,
wait, I don't want to
right
give.
over
I don't
there.
want to give Lexi the kill.
You're gonna marry Lexi Hensler?
Well, because I'm closer with you two, I would marry Ava and then I would kill Lexi.
Oh no, Lexi, I hope you're
Lexi,
right.
nothing against you. It's just the fact that
Out of the options,
it was like
you're just closer.
You
with
wouldn't
us.
clap them cheeks.
Oh my god. Am I allowed to ask questions even though he's there?
Yeah.
Have you ever had sexual thoughts about Brent in the past? No, not in the past. Just ever.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's drinking. Same question for you, Brent.
There were times where like,
This is so awkward.
no, it's not.
No,
it's
it's
completely
not.
normal.
Having feelings is normal.
Normalize having feelings.
I have a question.
Of course.
Okay, so Brent, we've had many sleepovers. There was one night.
Uh-oh. I don't know if
She was-
have I heard this before?
I have.
I mean, you were there.
Okay.
Well, things were just getting a little weird, a little sus. And we woke up in the middle of the night, and you were like really close to me, and we like yeeted away from
Was
each
this
other.
when you guys were naked?
What? Here's what happened, okay? I don't sleep with dogs. I like to have my bed to myself.
Where was Hanalei?
She was in the bed. I am a light sleeper to the point if I touch something, I will wake up.
Yeah, Brent tells me before he goes to bed, he's like, "Don't touch me."
Basically, what happens is I'm sleeping, and all of a sudden I touch something. I don't know if it's Hanalei or Ava, but I'm just like,
but he goes like this. What the?
Well, that night was interesting. Why did you take your pants off?
dude, I sleep with my underwear on. What do you mean? Wait, when? When did I take my pants off?
Oh my god.
Why did you take your pants off?
Every
Literally,
night
like,
before I go to bed.
I sleep
I
naked,
take
but
my
I
shirt
didn't
off.
get naked.
What am I gonna wait until I'm under the covers to take my pants off?
Sleep with pants on.
Ew. Have you ever done that before?
If I'm sleeping with a friend, yes.
Did you think that he was leading you on that night?
Taking my pants off?
That's like a sign.
That's
Brent.
only one sign of that night. Here's what happened that night. I usually sleep on the fucking couch.
Yeah.
This night,
So
okay, it's like 1 a.m. We're hanging out in your bed, watching TikToks, talking. I think there was a pillow fight at some point.
What?
I go to sleep on the couch. You go, "Oh, you want to sleep with me?"
I did not say that.
Yes, you did. You're like, "Oh, I don't want Hanalei like leaving." Like, Hanalei was gonna sleep with me, and then you're like, "Oh, you guys both like stay in my room." He made it out.
Hanalei was in my room, and Hanalei was gonna stay in my room. But then Hanalei was making all this movements, like, and I was like, "Hey, Ava, you can sleep in my room." When I offered to sleep in my room, right? Wampa actually did the same thing. He had his mattress outside my room, and then he comes, knocks on my door an hour later. I'm like sleeping. He's like, "Brent, can I sleep in your room?" I'm like, "Sure, yeah, if you want." Right? So I'm like, "Oh, Ava, like you can sleep in my room." She hops right into bed.
She takes off her pants, hops into bed.
I'm not gonna change my night routine because I'm sleeping with someone.
Here I am, innocent little Ava, heading to my normal position of the couch, the Rivera couch. Brent usually closes his bedroom door. We call it quits. I go the heck to bed. This one night, Brent's like, "You can stay in my room." I'm like, "Okay, sure. Makes sense. Hanalei's gonna run out. He wants the room, whatever." Closes the door and takes his pants off. Tell me how that sounds, Pierson.
Oh yeah, that's definitely making a move.
Oh my
Okay, end of
gosh.
story. Say how big your is.
No.
Well, we are.
Who's a better kisser, Brent?
Oh.
Oh.
I'll just drink my hot sauce.
Wow.
Pearson, rate Brent's kissing 1 out of 10.
Drink it. Here's the thing, okay? When it comes to kissing.
I'm sorry, was this your answer?
No, but let me answer here. When it comes to kissing, I have to get like a feeling of like how that person kisses in order for like myself to like kind of train up to that like level. The first couple are gonna be kind of weird, but once you like start like with that person more than then it's like okay.
Yep.
But that first thing is gonna be kind of bad. Rate my kiss, I guess 1 to 10, Pearson.
He feels like he has a gun to my head. Like, rate my freaking kiss.
Brent kisses like this, he's like,
4. Bitch, what?
You do?
No, I know.
roll the montage, they're all filmed.
The freaking paparazzi video is not a clear representation of how I
Don't
kiss.
even get me started.
That
on
is not a
video.
clear paparazzi.
That is like my favorite video. We're pecs, I would say an 8 because you need to be more hands-on. Just listen, I have reasoning. You
Positioning
can't just
of
do
it.
this. You got to do like the
Yeah,
whole
you have to
thing.
hand behind the hairs.
Also, you have pillow lips.
Is that good?
The muscle in the lips is thin. Your muscles are too in it.
So I have to kind of.
Soft.
Warm
No,
it
no,
up.
no,
Soft,
don't go like
soft in the lips.
Oh.
Pierson, is there anyone on social media right now you have a crush on?
Yes. I'll answer that one first.
Who? What is this conversation? Stop! Break it up! What? Who?
Who do you have a crush on?
Wait, you have to answer.
Drink or say?
I don't have a crush on anyone.
Yes, you do.
Says who? Says you? I
Oh no,
don't.
just someone that you're like, oh, like that you thought like that could be a thing.
My answer is no, but I'll drink for that.
My question is, well, can I do both of you?
Sure.
And you have to be really honest with me. Have you ever farted and then like sharted?
There was one time when I had the Mexican stomach flu.
Of course.
It was really bad. Like I had 106 fever. I was dying basically.
That's rough.
And here I was in a Mexican supermarket looking in the medicine aisle, barefoot, t-shirt on, bikini bottoms.
Yep.
106 fever, delirious, trying to read Spanish medicines. And I wasn't throwing up. I was coming out the bottom end.
Of course.
I'd
I
way
thought
rather
it was
have
a
that.
fart and I tried to fart.
And shit
It was a
happened.
little shit.
What did you do?
I
Hit a
laughed
bucket?
about it and I told my friend.
What about you, Pierson?
I was literally 30 seconds from being home and I had some sort of like stomach flu or sickness or something. I'm in the garage running to the bathroom and I don't make it.
Oh my
I don't
God.
make it.
The whole thing!
No, not the whole thing, but enough.
The closest I got was like we were driving home from San Diego. I had to go to the bathroom so bad. I'm like, I can't hold it anymore because I
I
was holding
hate
it for
that
like 30
feeling.
minutes. I'm like, you got to stop just somewhere. We stop at a Denny's and I run.
You know, it's like
reach the
slow-mo.
bathroom. I had to ask for the key. I opened the key. I swing
it open.
I wasn't even seated on the toilet yet. Woo! And boom.
Brent, if you could kick one person out of Am Squad, who would it be? Or drink?
If I had to kick one person out, it would probably be Ben.
Why?
He's already accomplished so many good things, and I feel like he would be able to still be like great at what he does.
When I started dating Olaf, were you a little nervous?
No, I wasn't nervous. I mean, I wanted to meet him. All the other boyfriends that you've had, I've met them.
All of the
Schmicks.
boyfriends you've had.
I've had literally
Yes.
one boyfriend. Well, people.
Let's cheers to a great conversation on camera. Now everyone knows the truth about us. I feel like on Ava's channel, we always just like tell the utmost facts.
After
This is
every
like-
video of Ava's, I feel like I'm just like,
The comments that I've gotten, like, especially when like you're in my videos, they're like, wow, like I feel like Brent is so much more like real on Ava's channel.
wow. There's things I just don't share for a reason, and then you tend to bring them out.
Yeah.
Here's the deal. Your channel is like NC-17. No, your channel's PG-13. Mine is NC-17. So it's not R.
Yeah.
But it's a little more real.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, of
like
course.
I'll tell you what's going on. Thank you guys for being here, and now I'm drunk, and you're drunk on
Hot
Barbecue
sauce.
zesty buffalo
Hey, you know
sauce.
that poop story that we all just had? That's
You're gonna
gonna
have
you in
that.
about 20
I
minutes.
know.
That
Hot
is
sauce.
so disgusting.
Ugh.
I drink it.
No thanks.
No.
And on that note,
And on
bye,
that
everyone.
note, we're out. Peace. That's it for this week's video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And also, I'm still trying to figure out what the subscriber shout out of the week is going to be. So keep leaving me comments down below and let me know what you guys think I should do for the subscriber shout out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tips. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend. Just kidding, nobody does that. Nobody shares YouTube videos. I don't know, maybe you do, but I love you guys and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye guys.
All right, I want to see who can do the best. Go. Oh, that was good. Pearson wins.
In real life.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz. Por fin.